क्लास 6 की इंग्लिश बुक पूर्वी के फर्स्ट लेसन अ बॉटल ऑफ ड्यू को हमने पढ़ा। उसके कुछ प्रश्न किए, क्वेश्चंस किए। अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं। लेट अस थिंक एंड रिफ्लेक्ट। रीड द फॉलोइंग लाइन्स एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चंस दैट फॉलो। A. He spent all his time to learn about the magic potion. People cheated him often. मतलब उसने अपना ज़्यादातर समय मैजिक पोशन के बारे में सीखने में स्पेंड कर दिया, बिता दिया। पीपल चीटेड हिम ऑफन, लोग उसको अक्सर धोखा देते थे। प्रॉमिसिंग टू टेल हिम अबाउट हिम, ये प्रॉमिस करके कि वे इसके बारे में उससे बताएंगे, मतलब मैजिक पोशन के बारे में। बट ही डिड नॉट गिव अप, पर धोखा खा के भी उसने हार नहीं मानी। हिज वाइफ मधुमती, जो उसकी पत्नी थी, उसका नाम था मधुमती, वॉज टायर्ड ऑफ दिस, वो इस सबसे बहुत थक गई थी। एंड ऑल्सो वरीड, और इस बात की भी चिंता थी उसे, बिकॉज शी सॉ, क्योंकि वो देख रही थी, उसने देखा हाउ मच मनी रामानाथ वॉज स्पेंडिंग, कि रामानाथ कितना ज़्यादा पैसा स्पेंड करा, कितना ज़्यादा मनी वो खर्च कर रहा है। शी वॉज श्योर, उसे विश्वास था, दैट सून दे वुड बी विदाउट मनी, कि जल्दी वो लोग बिना मनी के हो जाएंगे, बिना पैसे के हो जाएंगे, उनका सारा पैसा खर्च हो जाएगा। कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस विद अ सुटेबल रीजन। Ramanatha did not give up because he was sure that he will get magic potion one day. इसलिए हार नहीं मानी उसने। आगे है, read the column which shows what happened and write the correct outcome in the next column. What happened? People promised to tell Ramanatha about the magic potion. रामानाथ, क्या हुआ? लोगों ने रामानाथ को मैजिक पोशन के बारे में बहुत सा वायदा किया। उसका आउटकम क्या निकला? फिर उसके बाद है, रामनाथ वॉज स्पेंडिंग अ लॉट ऑफ मनी, रामनाथ बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा खर्च कर रहा था। उसका आउटकम क्या निकला? तो हम इन दोनों को करेंगे। पीपल प्रॉमिस टू टेल रामनाथ अबाउट द मैजिक पोशन, तो पीपल चीटेड हिम। नेक्स्ट इज रामनाथ वॉज स्पेंडिंग अ लॉट ऑफ मनी, सून दे वुड बी विदाउट मनी। आगे है, राइट वेदर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट आर ट्रू और फॉल्स। मधुमती वॉज ट्रबल्ड about what her husband did. Yes, correct. मधुमती बहुत परेशान थी, उसका हस्बैंड जो कर रहा था। दूसरा है, रामनाथ वॉज वेरी हैप्पी डिगिंग द फील्ड, रामनाथ फील्ड को डिग करके, खोद करके बहुत खुश था। जी नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं। द सेज वॉन्ट, तो ये फॉल्स हो गया। द सेज वॉन्टेड टू शो द राइट पाथ टू रामानाथा, सेज साधु जी रामनाथ को सही रास्ता दिखाना चाहते थे। यस, करेक्ट। तो पहला वाला ट्रू, दूसरा फॉल्स और तीसरा फिर से ट्रू। केयरफुली he took the bottle to the sage. The sage smiled and muttered something over the water. Then he returned the bottle and said, B is also a paragraph. Carefully he took the bottle to the sage. बहुत सावधानी से वो बॉटल को सेज के पास, साधु के पास ले गया। द सेज स्माइल्ड, सेज मुस्कुराए, एंड मटर्ड समथिंग, और बड़बड़ाए कुछ, ओवर द वाटर के ऊपर, पानी के ऊपर कुछ उन्होंने बोला धीमे धीमे शब्द आवाज़ में। देन ही रिटर्न द बॉटल एंड सेड, और फिर उन्होंने वापस करा बॉटल को और बोले, ट्राई इट आउट, अब इसे कोशिश करो। रामनाथ स्प्रिंकल अ फ्यू ड्रॉप्स ऑफ ऑन अ कॉपर वेसल, रामनाथ ने थोड़े से ड्रॉप्स कॉपर वेसल के ऊपर डाले। उसने कॉपर वेसल के ऊपर, थोड़े से कॉपर के बर्तन के ऊपर थोड़े से ड्रॉप्स डाले, एंड वेटेड फॉर इट टू टर्न टू गोल्ड, और इंतज़ार के वो सोने में बदल जाए। टू ही सरप्राइज नथिंग हैपेंड, पर कुछ भी नहीं हुआ। मतलब वो कॉपर वेसल, जो तांबे का बर्तन था, वो सोने में नहीं बदला। आगे है, चूज़ द ऑप्शन दैट लिस्ट्स द इवेंट गिवन बिलो इन द करेक्ट ऑर्डर। अब हम इनको करेक्ट ऑर्डर में डालेंगे, ठीक है। फर्स्ट ए इज द सेज स्माइल्ड, यानी कि साधु जी मुस्कुराए। नेक्स्ट पेज, बी, रामनाथ गेव द बॉटल टू द सेज, रामनाथ ने बॉटल को सेज को दे दिया, साधु जी को दे दिया। रामनाथ ड्रॉप्ड अ फ्यू ड्रॉप ऑफ वाटर ऑन अ कॉपर वेसल, रामनाथ ने कॉपर वेसल के ऊपर, तांबे के बर्तन के ऊपर थोड़ी सी बूंदे पानी की डाली। ही सेड समथिंग in a low voice over the water. D है कि उन्होंने पानी के ऊपर धीमी धीमी आवाज में कुछ बोला. नेक्स्ट है रामनाथ वेटेड टू सी इफ द मैजिक वर्कड. रामनाथ ने इंतजार किया कि शायद मैजिक हो जाएगा. अब है पहला AEDBC. ए है साधु जी मुस्कुराए, तो ये गलत हो गया. ठीक है, सबसे पहले साधु जी मुस्कुराए नहीं थे. सबसे पहले क्या हुआ था, रामनाथ ने उनको बॉटल दिया था. तो बी वाला एक ही है, सेकंड नंबर 2. तो रामनाथ गेव द बॉटल टू द सेज, पहली बात. फिर ए है सेज स्माइल. फिर डी है ही सेड नथिंग, sorry, he said something in a low voice over the water. Then C है Ramnath dropped a few drop of water on a copper vessel. And last में E है Ramnath waited to see if the magic worked. फिर है next है fill in the blanks with the correct word from the lines given above. Seeing that the plant had dried up, the gardener सम वाटर ऑन इट. तो जब प्लांट सूख रहे हैं तो गार्डनर ने क्या किया था, ड्रॉप्स ऑफ वाटर क्या किए, स्प्रिंकल किए. तो ये खाली जगह में क्या आ जाएगा, स्प्रिंकल्ड. सीइंग द प्लांट हैड ड्राइड अप, the gardener sprinkled some water on it. How might Ramanath have felt when nothing happened to the copper vessel? The answer is Ramanatha might have felt surprised and disappointed when nothing happened to copper vessel. Now answer the following question. A. What did the sage ask Ramanatha to do to make the magic potion? So answer A is the sage asked Ramanatha to plant banana plants and water them regularly with his own hands and collect the morning dew from the banana leaves. And when Ramanatha would collect the 5 liters of morning dew, the sage will turn it into magic potion. Now, second question is, why did the sage ask Ramanatha to do everything himself? Answer is, the sage asked Ramnath to do everything himself because the sage wanted to teach Ramnath the value of hard work for creating wealth. Now next question is, how could Ramnath have a big banana plantation after 6 years? The answer is, Ramnath could have a banana plantation after 6 years because Ramnath planted rows and rows of banana plants on his field, looked after them carefully. His wife sold the banana crop in the market and got good money, with which again Ramanatha bought banana plants. Next question D. How did the sage make Ramanatha believe that there is no magic potion? Answer is, Ramanatha and his wife prepared a huge banana plantation and earned big amount of gold coins. When the water did not change the copper vessel into gold, but Ramanatha's wife bought a big box filled with gold. He was surprised. The sage then made him understand that there is no magic potion, but only hard work to earn gold. Now fill in before and after table about Ramanatha, what he did before meeting the sage and what he did after meeting the sage. साधु से मिलने से पहले उसने क्या किया, fill in the before and after table about Ramanatha. What he did before meeting the sage. He was cheated by many people with promises of making magic potion. He lost a lot of money. And what he did after meeting the sage, he started planting banana plants and looked after them carefully. He collected the dew from the banana leaves. Okay. Let us learn. Read the following words from the story. Promise, spending, cheated, luck, remember, huge, difficult, market. इसको भर करके पूरा यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, there was a farmer who had a huge coconut plantation. He worked hard and did not depend on luck. Every day was difficult, but he did not give up. One day, a man bought a bag of coconuts from him and promised to pay him the money the next day. Days passed and the man did not pay him anything. The farmer felt cheated. After 2 months later, he met the same man and asked him about his money. The man said, "Oh, I had forgotten. Now I remember buying coconut from you." And he paid the money. Now next is read the words from the story in column A, read the new words in column B, complete the meaning of the words given in column B, meaning of some words are given. I, ये दोनों सेम लगते हैं. You are. Due, sun, one, eight, see. These are called homophones. The words given in each row, the table above have the same sounds but different spelling and meaning. Such words are called homophones. Now we will do the work in blanks. I is a part of body we can see from our eye. It is a sense organ. Okay, you can write from here. I sense organ to see. You short form of you are. Due happening at same time, sometime in the future. Sun, heavenly body, star of our solar system. One is past tense of when. 8, number name of digit 8. See a huge water body. Now some example of homophones. I see with my eye. His son is looking at sun. I can see. Sea beach in Juhu. The dew is formed due to winter. One day I will win gold medal. So these are the example of homophones. Now कॉलम ए और कॉलम बी के phrases को बीच के connecting word से match करना है. The children submitted their work when before the deadline. He did not want to try rock climbing. Why? Because he of his fear of height. The children ran towards the gate when as soon as the bell rang. Next is Nitin was late to school as there was a traffic jam. We can write these sentences like this. The children submitted their work before the deadline. He did not want to try rock climbing before because of his fear. Now page number 36. Madhumati is very happy as she has many big bags of bananas. Firstly, she visits her mother. Remember, firstly, she visits her mother and gives her 2 dozen bananas. Secondly, remember, secondly, she goes to the market to sell the bananas. Next, she meets her old friend Kalavati in the market. Then she gives Kalavati a dozen bananas. Later, she decides to go home as she has sold most of the bananas. After that, on the way home, she meets a little boy who is hungry and gives him 2 bananas. Lastly, she goes to her neighbor's house and gives them a bunch of bananas. She has a smile on her face as she goes home. So first of all, she visits her mother and gives her 2 dozen bananas. C is number one. And after that, she goes to the market to sell the bananas. Last G. Number three पर आएगा meets her friend Kalavati in the market. Number four पर आएगा gives 12 bananas to her friend. 5 number पर आएगा chooses to go home as only some bananas were left. 6 number पर gives 2 bananas to a boy who's hungry. And 7 number visit her neighbor and gives them a bunch of bananas. Now you have to arrange these sentences according to the story of Madhumati of page number 36. Next exercise is the practice of speech. Read aloud the following words from the story: seed, promising, wisdom, trees, surprise. All these words have the letter S in them, but the sound of letter is not always same. Sometimes it is S and sometimes it is Z. In says and promising, the letter S has a S sound. In wisdom, the letter S is a Z sound. In trees, the letter S has a Z sound. In surprise, the first S sound and second S is Z sound. Okay, now you have to practice the S sound. As, beds, sand, clothes, sea, was, keys, bags, nose. You can see the difference in S sound. Now we will discuss the following question with a partner. You may use the hints given in the brackets while speaking. What does hard work mean to you? You can answer with it means it is something. Well, you see, what I mean is, and B is give three reasons why you think hard work is important. Firstly, secondly, and lastly. Firstly, I feel because, secondly, I think, and share three ideas you would give to someone who needs to work hard. Okay, now answer A is hard work means putting efforts and dedication to reach a goal. Hard work helps us to grow and learn something. B, firstly, I feel that hard work is important because it helps us to achieve the success. Secondly, it is important because we learn discipline from hard work. And lastly, hard work is important because we get recognition from hard work. Mean uh, हार्ड वर्क क्या है? हार्ड वर्क है एफर्ट और डेडिकेशन एक गोल तक पहुंचने के लिए हमको ग्रो करने में और कुछ सीखने में मदद करता है। फिर हमको हार्ड वर्क क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है उसके बारे में बताया गया है कि हार्ड वर्क क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है। देखिए एक पिक्चर और उसके आसपास कुछ सेंटेंसेस लिखे हैं जिनकी मदद से हमको बनाना के बारे में 8 सेंटेंसेस क्रिएट करने हैं। व्हेन आई एट टू ईट अ बनाना at breakfast, and some more sentences are there. We can use them in writing. So banana is my favorite fruit. I like to eat banana at breakfast every day. It makes me healthy and gives me energy. It is rich in vitamins and it stores fat. The outer cover of a banana is yellow and from inside it is white and soft. It is sweet in taste. Has a fruity, refreshing and sweet smell. It is good for our health and skin. Now we have covered most of the important exercise from the lesson. Now you Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe to encourage me to prepare more videos. Thank you so much again.